Welcome. Today, I'm showing you how to enable advanced voice activity in Discord with a quick, straightforward setup that'll fine-tune how your mic picks up sound during chats and games. First, open Discord and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This is your personal hub where all your settings live, and you'll find the quickest path to the features you want here. From there, tap the settings icon. It's the gear symbol just a moment away and marks the official gateway to customize everything about how Discord behaves for you. Once you're in, look for the general area of options and scroll down to the voice section. This is where all your voice and input preferences come together. Inside the voice section, keep scrolling until you see voice processing. This part controls how your microphone data is handled and interpreted by Discord. You'll notice several toggles and options designed to optimize clarity, reduce background noise, and make sure your teammates hear you clearly even in busy environments. Now, find the advanced voice activity toggle and switch it on. Enabling this feature lets Discord apply more refined processing to your microphone input, which can help with steadier detection of your voice while filtering out unwanted ambient noise. It's especially useful if you're streaming, playing multiplayer games, or sharing a room with office chatter, pets, or fans. After turning on advanced voice activity, give Discord a quick test, speak at a normal volume, and then raise or lower your voice a bit to see how the system adapts. If you notice any mic chatter or delayed activation, you can tweak nearby settings like input sensitivity or noise suppression to dial in the perfect